Hey there, third graders, and this is Swell again. Okay, so this video is meant to be a reminder of how to borrow. So we are going to need to solve a subtraction problem. This is the one I've come up with. We are going to use the strategy of borrowing. But remember our 4 B's. B, 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 B. Bigger, bottom, better, borrow. So bigger, bottom, better, borrow. The 4 B's. What does that mean to us? Well, that means if the number below is bigger, then you have to borrow from the neighbor. So our 4 B's. So looking here, the number 8 is bigger than the number 6. So that tells me I cannot do 6 minus 8. I have to borrow from the neighbor. So my 8 goes to the 6. Hey, buddy, I need to borrow from you. And he's like, I don't have enough. So he goes to his 3. He borrows 1. So remember, we take 1 and add 10. So we're taking 1 away from the 3. So 3 minus 1 becomes 2. And then I'm adding my 10. So 6 plus the 10 is 16. Now the number is bigger. So I can do 16 minus 8, and that is 8. And now I have the same situation here. My 7 is bigger than the 2. So that's a 4B rule. Bigger bottom, better borrow. So I do the same thing. The 2 goes to its neighbor, the other 2, and says, hey, buddy, I need to borrow from you. So he takes 1. So remember, subtract 1. The 2 becomes a 1, and now I add 10. So my 2 here becomes a 12. So now I can do 12 minus 7, which is 5. And 1 minus 1 is 0, and I'm going to leave it blank. And there is my answer of 58. Remember, this strategy just takes lots of practice. So start with small numbers and practice borrowing just with 2-digit numbers. It will come in time. Practice makes perfect.